Hi everyone, what's up guys? Welcome to Educational Village channel. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to know other videos tags without using any extension, without using any software, and free. But before that guys, do not forget to subscribe us, and if you have any question guys, just write it below. Okay guys, I just choose one video to see its tags, so I'm gonna click right here. Here is written view page source or CTRL U. It also exists in other explorers as well. So now I'm using Google Chrome, so you might use Firefox, or you're gonna use for example Opera or Microsoft Edge. It generally exists here. So I'm gonna click on view page source. So you see here there's let's say some written something, and also at the end there are some codes for this video. So I'm gonna press CTRL F. So here you see this comes here. I'm gonna write keywords. So I press enter. So there might be some other keywords as well, but try to find that keywords which in front of it you have a bracket. Okay guys, so guys, from this bracket until this bracket which is closed, these are the tags for this video. I'm gonna copy them and you can paste it somewhere, for example in Microsoft Word. So all those words which are written inside these quotation marks are the tags for this video. So you can copy them and use them whenever you want in any YouTube video you're gonna use. And to show you more guys that these are the tags for this video, I'm gonna show you one of my videos tags. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and let's see, this is one of my video guys, how to draw a dog. Okay, and you see here are the tags for this video. These are the tags. Okay, I'm gonna open this video and I'm gonna right click here to view page source. I'm gonna again press CTRL F and press enter. So you see in front of this keyword there is a bracket, opening bracket, and I'm gonna copy that one until a close bracket, which is this one. Okay, I'm gonna press Ctrl C, and I'm gonna just press or copy that here. So you see inside these quotation marks there are some words which are exactly my tags. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna come back to my video. You see here, what is the first tags here? How to draw. Okay, you see it's also written how to draw. For example, drawing, draw. For example, the last one, how to draw a dog. The last one is how to draw a dog. So you see this is exactly all my tags from this video. So you can use this way guys to find out others videos tags, and you can use them in your video. Hope this was useful for you whenever you are a YouTuber or you are someone who starts to be a YouTuber. So you can use others your friends tags, other videos tags, in order to just increase your ranking on YouTube and increase your views, increase your subscriptions. But guys, please do not forget to subscribe my channel in order to support me. Thank you very much.